Hello everyone, this is Cruises and Casino on Allure of the Seas. This is our stateroom, cabin number 6679 on deck 6. It's an interior 4 V-leg Victor, and this is what it looks like. It's really very small compared to the Odyssey. I actually have started comparing everything to the Odyssey. As far as cabins. So this is pretty much it. I noticed that there was just one nightstand, so I'm going to have to ask the stateroom attendant to move the bed over. And we have here the vanity. We have two electrical outlets. Have a little refrigerator. The door opens with it, so it's one movement. You don't have to open the door and then open another door. And this is the only closet that the cabin has. As you can see, it's very small. On this side we have some shelves. One of the shelves occupies the safe, and on the other side, this is it for storage. Up here, can't see back there, but that's it. And this is it for clothes for two people. Really very small. Have a full-length mirror. The light switch and the thermostat is away from the door, so if you come in and your room is dark, you have to actually walk in past the bathroom door, which is here, to get to these switches. And the bathroom again is really small. I can figure out which one of the switches it is. Not that one. Oh yeah, it is that one. And we have some towels, the usual. We have some one area here for shelved area for your bathroom shaving stuff. Oh, there's a little drawer. I don't know what you could possibly put in there. And the shower is this little capsule. Really very small compared to the Odyssey. The Odyssey shower is like twice as big as this. And that's pretty much the bathroom. And there's the door. Now the interesting thing about this cabin and why we took this one is right outside the cabin is the boardwalk. Actually right behind this cabin would be the doghouse, and I'm was happy with that. Okay, this is Cruises and Casino on Allure of the Sea, November 8, 2021. Thank you all for watching.